So, hey, this is basically just an audio test, but it's also to tell you that I am working on BAOS. Yeah, that's how you say it, BAOS. And that, it's actually pretty fun, more fun than I expected. But yeah, this is basically just an audio test to try and figure out how I'm going to actually animate this to the audio. And also, here's why now. Hi, I sound exactly the same because they don't have another voice actor, but, doesn't matter because Mason isn't going to be in the show itself, so I'm just going to sound exactly like him. But, yeah, I got 40 contestants who are battling for, well, you'll see. Um, it's not $1 billion because, everybody else is doing battles for $1 billion, but, anyways, even those that are for Battle of $1 billion are still cool. Anyways, yeah, it has quality has nothing to do with the prize, but because definitely because mine is kind of just copying off of another object show. Again, you'll see what I mean. But yeah, why out? And yeah, okay. See ya.